Oh, hi there. Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today I'm going to have a quick and easy little video for you. We are going to talk about deleting a receipt out of your QuickBooks point of sale. I get this question from time to time. People ask me about the receipt that they screwed up on, or the person didn't actually want the sale and happened too fast, something like that. And so a store owner wants to delete a receipt out of their sales history. Well, that's what we're going to cover. We're going to head on over to sales history, and I'm going to let you in on the quick, short answer to this, and that is you can't. You can't delete a receipt. Why not? Well, this is a financial system. It's a point of sale that's hooked up to your accounting system. And in the accounting world, we have to actually keep all the records. You can't just go around deleting receipts and putting the cash in your pocket. That's cooking your books. You don't want to do that. Seriously. So what do? You want to get rid of a receipt, but you can't delete it. Oh my goodness. There's no delete button. What are we going to do? Well, what we're actually going to do is reverse the receipt. That's this button over here. So I just made a quick sale to John Doe here. And John Doe bought something and I gave him 50% off, and that was a mistake, and I quickly recognized it. And so I need to undo this receipt because I need to re-ring this sale. And I can't delete the receipt, so what in the world? I can't get rid of it. Well, you're going to reverse it. And you'll see here, I'm going to highlight John Doe's receipt on my sales history. You can either show details or hide them over here. And then I'm going to hit reverse. You're going to have to say who's reversing it, if you got a lot of users or clerks in there. Now, what you're going to notice is, if I just narrow this down to John Doe, now I have two documents. I have the original sale, which is 69002 is the receipt number. So this is my original sale, 50% off. It was the wrong one. Now we get a stamp right here. It says it's been reversed. Now you're still stuck on deleting things, I know. But what we're doing here is we're leaving a paper trail. We had this original transaction. Now it's telling us it's been reversed. So if you ever see a receipt and it says reversed on it, even though it's still a sales receipt, it says reversed, that means there's another document out there in your system that is coupled with it. And just to put it in perspective, the other document is going to come up as a return, and it's actually going to be a document that is the exact opposite of the sales document. So it's like an undo. We call it a reverse. It's a document that in your numbers and in your sales is the exact opposite. So we have this where we had income and we took cash. And then we have, this one, we had income, we took cash, and then this one is the reversal, and it is like a return. And in this case, it's going to put your quantity of your product back into your inventory, and it is going to give the cash back to John. Now, if you did this really quickly, before you really even took his money, or you still have his money in your hand, then you don't have to worry about handing him his cash back. You're just going to redo the receipt because we have the sale and the undo of the sale. Okay, so that's kind of technically how you delete a receipt. You can't just straight up delete it. You can't, there has to be a paper trail. It's the law, okay? And it's how the system works. So that is how you delete a receipt in your QuickBooks point of sale. Thanks for joining me quickly on that. Glad we got that straightened out. Want to keep you accountable. This is accounting, remember. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. Don't forget to click on a link below for some super special secret QuickBooks sauce, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.